Hi, Robert Kiefer here with Hydro Hero, and I am in a crawl space where I am going to show you that it got flooded out, why it got flooded out, and what not to do in a crawl space that's going to lead to a problem like this and you wasting your money. We're going to do that right after this. Okay, so here we are in this crawl space. As you can see, there's water all over the top of the liner. It goes all the way back there, all the way over to that side over there. It's water all throughout here. Now, the relative humidity readings I just took, they were 74%. So you can see that there's mold growth all over the bottom of the floor joists, all on the support beam here. Mold growth all over that. And the wood moisture content in here is 19%. So once you go over 16%, you can start having surface fungal growth. So we're right over that percentage. So here we go. We got the fungal growth already starting, or the mold growth. So we don't see any wood decay fungi in here, which the relative humidity or the wood moisture content needs to be over 20%. So that all looks good, but we do have mold growth, and this house is for sale. So this is going to have to be taken care of. All this insulation is going to have to be removed so all the floor joists and everything can be remediated properly. But there's no drain tile in here. What happened was somebody laid a reinforced string liner in here on the ground, but it's not sealed to the wall. It's not sealed up. There's no dehumidifier in here whatsoever to control the relative humidity. There's no drain tile to take this to a proper sub pump, and this is the sub pump that got actually installed. So I'll show you guys here. This is essentially a 5-gallon bucket for the most part, with a sub pump put in here. And what I'd like to show you is that there's no holes all the way around. This should be a perforated basin, should be much bigger than this, but there needs to be perforated holes all the way around so the water can make it into it. So as you can see here, water's all around it. Only when it gets to this very top lip over here, if you can see that, would any water make it in there. So essentially this thing does no good and allows this crawl space to just flood out. So this was just totally pointless and a waste of money. So we're going to have to put drain tile all the way around here, hook up one, maybe even two sub pumps depending on this layout, and then encapsulate this and do a remediation and turn around and insulate everything that's needed, air seal it, and get a dehumidifier in here and 24-hour monitoring and get this thing under control so the buyer of this particular house doesn't have bad indoor air quality problems, nor has any structural issues due to wood decay fungi, insects, termites, and all that stuff. So if you want a proper crawl space encapsulation and waterproofing, give Hydro Hero a call at 302-321-7077. Find us on the web at hydrohero.com. Please like this on Facebook and share with your friends. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.